In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a ClickUp workspace. Before we begin, an important note for clarity. Most people don't actually need to delete a workspace. What you typically want is to remove your access to a workspace you no longer use. That's done by leaving the workspace, which clears it from your account and stops notifications. Fully deleting a workspace is reserved for owners or administrators and permanently removes it for everyone, which is a serious action. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to leave a workspace from your account and share a few considerations so you don't disrupt your workflow. First, take a moment to consider the impact of exiting. When you leave a workspace, you immediately lose access to its tasks, docs, dashboards, notifications, and any private items shared only within that space. If your day-to-day work depends on it, or if teammates rely on your permissions, leaving could pause your workflow or theirs until someone updates assignments and sharing. If there's anything you might need later, consider exporting key docs or asking an admin to transfer ownership of tasks or dashboards before you proceed. With that in mind, let's open ClickUp and go to the workspace you want to remove from your account. You can be on any page in ClickUp. What matters is accessing your personal settings. Head to the top right corner of the screen where your profile picture appears. Click that profile picture to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your personal settings page, where you manage your account-level preferences and connected workspaces. On the left-hand side of the settings page, look for the section labeled Workspaces. Select it. You'll see a list of the workspaces your account is currently a member of. Find the one you intend to leave. If you are not an admin or owner of that workspace, you should see an option to leave it. Click Leave Workspace, and when prompted, confirm by selecting Leave again. After confirmation, the workspace will disappear from your list, and you'll no longer have access to its content. If you try to open anything from that workspace afterward, you'll see a message indicating you don't have access. If you are an admin or owner of the workspace, the interface may show a settings option for that workspace instead of a direct Leave button. In that case, review what role you hold. If you are the only admin, ClickUp may require that you assign another admin before you can leave, to prevent orphaning the workspace. If your intention truly is deletion for everyone, you'll need to go through the workspace's own settings as an owner and follow the deletion path, but do that only after confirming with your team and backing up any critical data. For most users,